Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing great today. Today we'll be learning how to create an amazing wedding card within few minutes. So let's get started. As you can see on my desktop, to create a wedding design, you will require few things. Those things are one simple vector background and one simple design and a logo according to your religious belief. It can be anything or you can also keep it empty. I'll be using these three images to create my wedding card. As you can see here, this is the required data to be filled in my wedding card. Okay, so first what I will do, I will take a A4 size document and I'll make sure the resolution is 300 so the quality of the card is good. Normally this will be 72, change it to 300, let the background be white, hit on create. So for me, I need the wedding card in the portrait format, so I'm taking it in portrait format. If you want it in landscape format, you can take it in landscape format as well. Now what I'll do, I'll just take this background, drag and drop. Next I'll take this design. This is a PNG image, you can find it on the internet. Okay, then I will take this religious symbol, right? Okay, well and good. So first of all, what we do, we keep this religious symbol at the top and we'll start with our content. As you can see, I am using a ruler here. You can just hit on Ctrl R to get this scale. Okay, let's copy the whole content. So as you can see, I have copied the whole content in my Photoshop document. So now what I will do, as you all know, Photoshop is based on layers. The text whatever I have copied is separated with all the layers here. So now what I will do, I will take and try to align the content accordingly. Right? Here what I will do, I'll make sure the background is locked so that when I'm moving other stuff, this background does not get affected. Now what I will do, I used Ctrl T to select the whole background. I have used the scales. Let me put one line in the center. This is just an imaginary line which will not be showed on the wedding card. I'm using this line for the alignment. Right? Now what I'll do, I think this should come on the left. Yeah, this will suit good. Okay, now let us select a proper font. I think it's already selected. I am using monotype cursiva. Okay, so what I'll do, first of all, we have a small PNG image. You can keep it as a simple design or your religious logo. You can use it as whatever you want. What I'll do, I'll just select this PNG image, double click on the image layer here, and I'll go to color overlay and I'll select the color which I want here. I've selected the color of this flower. Okay, right, so this suits good. Now what I'll do, I'll make this alignments. You can use Ctrl and Shift to place these properly in the center. It will give you the lines and you can place it accordingly. Right, now let us change the font size I'll make this as 20 or maybe 22, so it's good. Okay, this is the parent's name. 26 is good. Control T, use the arrow marks. I feel there is something empty on the top, so what I will do, I will take this flower design and try to place it on the left side as well. So what we can do, we can copy and paste this layer, or else we can just press on Ctrl and Alt key, we can copy this layer. You see here, just click it, you can copy this layer. It has been created. Now press on Ctrl T. You can transform, use shift to properly align, put it on the left side. Now use this arrow key to align it. You can see this is not coming properly, so what I'll do, I'll use shift. So if I use shift, it will be aligned properly. Okay, this, I think this is enough. Right. So I'll lock this one as well. Okay, now let us get the sizes. This was 22, so we'll make this and this. You can use Ctrl and Shift to select two layers together. Go to text, make it as 22. Okay, now this is the main content. We have bride and groom's name here. The whole thing we will make it as 20. Okay, and let us make this as 24 because this is a name. We'll make this one also as 24, this one also as 24. Okay, now let us make this bold. Right, I think this is a little too big, so we'll make this as 18. Okay, cool. Now this thing here, we'll make it as 22 and we'll make it bold. And good. Okay, this is the center, we'll make it as left aligned. Alright, I think the font is too big for this. We'll make it as 18 and this one we will make it as 20. Yeah, it's 22 already. Okay, so there is something missing again. What we shall do, we shall create one stroke all over the design. So I'll just select this background layer, I'll create a new layer here. You can see this, or else you can just click on Ctrl Shift and N. One more layer will be created, and what I'll do, I'll use this tool, rectangle marquee tool, and I'll select the whole document. Right click, stroke, I'll give 20 pixel and I'll select this flower color. Okay, right. What I'm doing, I'm just following two colors here, that is three colors, blue, white and this golden, because if there are too many colors it will look too clumsy and it will not be attractive. The more simple it is, the more attractive it will be, according to me. Right, so now what I'll do, I put this here, and I feel this is extra, so I'll use this lasso tool and I'll remove this part. Okay, right, delete, click on delete and it will be removed. Press on Ctrl D to deselect. Again come here and select this, delete, and Ctrl D to be deleted. Right, so this looks pretty much good. Now what I'll do, I'll make it more interesting. Select this and change the color to golden. Okay, yeah, and I feel this is not bold, so we'll make this bold. Okay, yes, interesting. Right, now the name of right hand column, we'll change it to this color again. You can also copy this color code if you want the same perfect color. Right, now select this, change the color. Okay, right, now this is done and I change this color to the golden color. Perfect. So wow, looks good. So let us check if everything is fine. Okay, the background is a little downwards. Just click on this, unlock. Right, now check with the whole document. Okay, there's some size issue. I'll select and just enlarge a little using Shift and Alt and holding this mouse key. Enter. Perfect. And here you go. This is your design. Right? I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for further more videos. Please let me know in the comment section how can I help you for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.